Hello everybody, welcome to Bopini channel. Now we'll talk about how to save and access to our file in Canva. If we have files, we can find it here in your projects. This is the direct place. This is your project. Here, if you have folders, you can find it here. Designs, find it here. Any design you did make, you you can find it here. Images as well, and we turn all. Here we can modify our design or our and make a name. For example, I have etc. Okay, like that. You can name it. If you would like to create here, you can create here whatever you would like to create, video or presentation. For example, you can create something simple now because we would like this video will be short. We can create, for example, Facebook post. It's an example. We'll wait a little bit till we open. Here we can name it as well. Facebook post. This is name. We can choose from here how does our post will be. For example, you can choose this. Welcome spring, and we can change whatever we would like to change to be changed. Test Facebook, and here you go. Now we will save it as well. We can change the color and whatever. This is we save it. This is for whatever. This is for uppercase, and this is underline. In copy link or save it. Share automatically. It will be saved in your project. Look here, many different icons that can be suitable for your project. You can save it here to folder. Look, save to folder in your project and or share with you. You choose your projects, save as a folder. More move here or add. Here we can add. Create a new folder. You can name it. Name it save Facebook test. Okay, how to add a new folder, how to save it, where we return back home, and we will find it here, your project. This is all here. This is our Facebook post. Okay, I hope you I hope you the best. I hope you like our video, and if you like my video, could you like it, share it, subscribe in my channel, and see you later.